Zambia 10 and 15 Ngwee Coins with eland and African elephant. By Coin House, Kochi. The common eland, also known as the southern eland or eland antelope, is a savanna and plains antelope found in East and Southern Africa. Zambia 10 Ngwee, 2012 to 2017, very fine condition coin at 60 rupees. The African elephant is a genus comprising two living elephant species, the African bush elephant and the smaller African forest elephant. Both are social herbivores with grey skin, but differ in the size and color of their tusks and in the shape and size of their ears and skulls. Zambia 15 Ngwee 2012-2017 very fine condition coin at 60 rupees. Thank you. Visit Coin House Kochi for more information.